Hello, good people. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bobby Nugroho. I'm from grade 12 Technique Mechanical Engineering at Vocational High School number 3 in Tanjung Pinang. Hey, good people. On this opportunity, I would like to give you the report text based on my apprenticeship in industry.
Okay, good people, my daily routine at my internship is as follows. Here is the documentation of my first day in July during my internship at PTIN1. In this photo, I'm learning to remove and install holder on the magazine of the Fanuc Robot Drill D21 MEB series CNC machine, with a total of 21 holders that need to be installed on one CNC machine. Here is the documentation of my next day in August during my internship at PTIN1. In this photo, I am learning to operate the Fanuc Robot Drill D21 MEB series CNC milling machine. Not only operating it, I also learned the programming language needed to operate the CNC machine, namely E-code and IM-code, along with the type of axis of the CNC milling machine. Here is the documentation of my next day in September during my internship at PTIN1. In this photo, I am installing a vise and fixture for processing new item on the Fanuc Robot Drill D21 MIB series CNC milling machine. When this work is carried out, precision and vigilance are required, because if there is an error in installing and making the fixture, it will have an impact on the workpiece later. Here is the documentation of my next day in October during my internship at PTIN1. In this photo, I am editing a program for processing new item on a Fanuc Robot Drill D21 MIB series CNC milling machine. This program will command the machine to move quickly and produce product from the program that I have been created on computer and machine. The process of editing this program requires focus from the machine operator and me, because if something unwanted thing happens, the operator and I must be responsible for what has happened. Here is documentation of my next day in November during my internship at PTIN1. In this photo, I am replacing the blade usually called an anvil, which is usually used by machine for mass processing goods. To replace it, a holder locking bracket and a ratchet key to open the collet on the holder are needed, where each holder has a driven shaft and collet, so that to a complete key and opening tool are needed. Here is the documentation of my last day in December during my internship at PTIN1. In this photo, I am filling hydraulic oil on a CNC Fanuc Robot Drill D21 MIB series machine in the morning before operating the machine to produce. Hydraulic oil is very important to lubricate the CNC machine, because this machine works with a table and head that moves at all times at high speed, so that regular maintenance and oil filling are needed. The oil needed is also special and not careless. This machine requires Pertamina Duralic SIE 68 oil, which is filled as much as 3 to 4 liters a day for one operation.
People, I think enough about my presentation. I hope this presentation will be useful for you. And my last word is thank you and goodbye, everyone.